back to the channel. My name is Malik Muhammad, and today I'm going to teach you how to write a mini version of Jest. The reason I'm making this video is because so that you can have an understanding of what the tool does and how it works on the fundamental level. So let's get started. So what I did is I created a folder and I drag it into VS Code, and I'm going to create a file called test.js and I'm going to write two functions. I'm going to write sum function and subtract function. Okay, so I have two functions now, sum and subtract, and I know that I have a bug here because instead of minus I should use plus. I can fix it just like this, but no, I don't want to do it. I'm going to write an automated testing. So what is automated testing in JavaScript? So automated testing is actually a code that throws an error when unexpected things happen. So let's start. Okay, so let's use this sum and see. Okay, so I'm going to write result. I'm going to create a variable, two variables actually, result and expected. And you can write variable like this, and you can define two variables like this in JavaScript. And yeah, so I'm going to say result. I'm going to use sum. I'm going to say 3 plus 7, and expected result I'm expected to have 10. So I'm going to write a condition that said result not equals to expected, and I'm going to throw an error if something went wrong, and I'm going to write something in the console that said result is not equal to expected. Okay, so let me go ahead and run the code and test. So you can see that it says -4 is not equal to 10. So let's try that with subtract as well. So we can say result equals to subtract 7 minus 3, and expected, we are expected to have 4, and we can also write this, but we have to comment this. Yeah, our code is working all right. It will only throw an error if unexpected things happen, and you see 7 minus 3 is actually 4, and the expected is 4, so we won't have any error. So let's try and remove this subtract and sum from this file, and let's create a new file called math.js, and we paste those functions there, and we export them, like this. You save them, and we come back here and we import them. Required, and we call sum and subtract, and our code still works fine. And this, and save it, and I think we are having repetition of code with these two ifs. So let's write a function for that to prevent that. I'm going to name the function expect, and it will take an argument, and it will return an object, and inside that object it will take a function as well, and that function will also take an argument called expected, and we are going to write the same thing, like the same thing that we have here. Say if result not equals to, not result, this is actual, not equal to expected, and basically it will do the same thing here, and we save it and we remove this. We say expect result, then to be and expected. We do the same thing here. Yeah, I think this is much better than what we had before, but let's go ahead. Okay, so let's comment this again and let's run our code. Yeah, our code will run just fine, but let's uncomment this because this is the one that throws an error. This one doesn't throw any error. To confirm it's working correctly, you see we have our error the same. So guys, that's about it for today, and I'm going to publish a new video which is the continuation of this mini series of jest. I think by Wednesday or Thursday. I hope you really enjoyed this video and you're able to learn something out of it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't do so, and like, and leave a comment. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye bye.